Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is in partnership with Sally Hansen because I'm going to be showing you guys their new Color Whirl nail polish, which is like this really cool overcoat that you just paint over your nails and it makes this bubbly texture. And honestly, this is super easy, so I feel like this is going to be a really short video. But yeah, let's just get right into it. So this polish comes in two different colors. The first one is Marble Us, which is a really light pink color, and then the second one is Steampunk, which is a black. And I know you guys are probably surprised I didn't use the pink in this video, but I'm trying to do more fall looks, and I'm also trying not to use pink in every single video that I do. So the directions for this are to apply it over 2 coats of any Miracle Gel polish of your choice. So I'm going to be using Love Me Lilac, and this is such a pretty purple. It's like a mauve kind of purple. And I just applied 2 coats of that on all of my nails and then let that dry completely. Next, you're going to take your Color Whirl and wipe off both sides, and you pretty much want to get all of the nail polish off of it. And I wish I would have filmed this, but basically if you have too much on the brush, it doesn't give you the same bubbly effect. And then after that, you're just going to apply it to your nail. You want to make sure that it's a very thin coat and also that you kind of put a little pressure into it. It kind of, gets the bubbles going. I wish that made sense. But yeah, that's honestly it. After that, I wanted to try some simple nail art. So I grabbed some striping tape, shocker, I know, but I got some striping tape and I laid it across the middle of my nail. And then I just did the same thing, except I painted the overcoat only above the striping tape, and then I ripped that off. And oh my gosh, you guys, I love how that came out. I wasn't expecting to like it that much. It gives it almost like a lace looking design. I don't know if that's just me, but either way, I love how it came out. So to finish that off, you're just going to use the Miracle Gel top coat, and then you are done. So if you guys have seen any of my videos, you know that I normally just stop there. But you guys, my cuticles have been so crusty because of this weather. Like, I'm not kidding. I walk outside and my hands are just ashy. So I'm going to be finishing off with the Sally Hansen Vitamin E nail and cuticle oil. And I'm just going to wipe that on my nail using the little brush that it comes with. Then I just massage that in using my pinky, and I let it sit for probably like 10 minutes before washing my hands. But yeah, now you're like actually done. So overall, I actually really like this idea. It kind of reminds me of that Crackle nail polish from like forever ago. I don't know if you guys remember that. But yeah, I feel like this is the easiest nail art can get. But let me know what you guys think, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!